The global program has five core pillars. Okay, we have capacity building, we have modernization. Modernization is infrastructure and equipment. A fair good amount we already implemented in different countries, and there are some activity bundles which we still have to implement. We'll see into this later. We have JSO pillar, we have Green TVET as a very big and important pillar, and we have networking as kind of a overarching connecting pillar. It's not a standalone. The networking pillar is what connects all the other four pillars.
The job service office is going to be implemented in 11 countries, but so far we have already started with 3. That is Nigeria, Malawi and Kenya, and we have already implemented a few activities. And the pillar is aimed at enhancing TVET, making it a career of choice by linking our TVET centers with the industry. So through this pillar, it is expected that each of the centers installs a job service officer, who in turn links our students with the industry, the respective industry, in relation to what they are partaking in order to increase their employability.
And the idea of the Green TVET is to green our TVET cultures, not only to green but also to promote that green practices and green values. Green TVET is implemented in 4 topics: waste management, water and wastewater management, 2 renewable energies, solar and biogas. It's implemented in 5 countries. 1 is Kenya, host country, Angola, Madagascar, Nigeria and Burundi. We implement these key areas through 3 sub-pillars. 1 is the centers of excellence, and we have already started the process of making 2 centers of excellence in this project. One is from Nigeria, and the team is here represented by Father Maximus, and 1 is in Burundi, Buterere, represented here by Brother Hubert. Then we have the mobile team. The idea of the mobile team is to go within the participating countries, the centers within the participating countries, creating awareness on these 4 topics. One of the mobile team is found here in Kenya, another one is in Angola, and the last one is in Madagascar. Then we have the green clubs, and then these green clubs are all they are there in all the 17 participating centers. All the centers within the 5 countries: Kenya, Madagascar, Angola, then Nigeria, one participating center, that is Onisha, and then Buterere, representing Burundi.
We're actually networking, is that right? This pillar is of vital importance when it comes to communication, collaboration, and cooperation. And it is an overarching pillar which covers all the pillars within the global program. So it enhances internal and external networking among all the pillars within the global program. So DBTA's approach towards this pillar is to ensure that knowledge is transferred and that learning is shared, and also that information and experiences within all other modules within the global program are shared within the pillar itself. So we will also have select individuals from different countries being able to visit trade fairs, and this is for the intention of being able to open up the solutions to the wider view And also, being a TVET, we'll be able to expose our activities on what other TVETs actually do. For the work package of roundtable meetings with advocacy with the youth, this will be organized by the PDOs, and the participants will be the TVET stakeholders from the public and private sectors, the youth from the Salesians, and also external youth. I'll leave you with a reflection here that says, everything and everyone is won by the sweetness of our words and works. And it's by our own Saint John Bosco.